Welcome back everyone. I haven't done a gaming video in a long time. I made the Clash of Clans video I think like 10 years ago and it was a big hit. A lot of you guys still commenting on the Clash of Clans video even though it's way outdated. Anyway, today we're going to focus on a game called Clash Quest. Now this is a new game by Supercell and it's in a soft launch, and the way to play this is by changing your region to one of the regions that has the soft launch, like Canada or Finland. Now if you guys want me to explain you how to download this game on iOS right now, even though you're in the US, comment below. I'll make a whole new video for everyone if I get enough demand for that. Now let's just jump into the game. Let me talk about the basics of the game and then also about how the game works. Now I'm going to turn off the music because it's very loud. Now, how does the game work? So, here's your basic shop. You could buy different upgrades for your heroes, armor, weapons, gauntlets, and then you could also buy elixir, you could buy gold, and then you got your squad. So this is what I unlocked. If you play Supercell's games, you're familiar with archers, barbarians, and all of these characters. Now the rest I don't have unlocked yet, but over time I will. Now, main gameplay. You start at the first Shifty Beach, I guess, the region, the level. And each level has 3 to 2 stages, some even have 4. And to beat the stage, you could get 2 stars, 3 stars, and you move on through the stages. Now, let me just play a quick stage quickly, because I do have a side quest, which I'll talk about in a bit. And this is the squad. The squad is pre-made. Each stage gives you different composition. So I'll talk about that a little bit later. Let me introduce you to the gameplay. So the gameplay starts with you versus the enemy. Now you could see there's 3 stages. 1, 2, 3. Or 3 parts to 1 level. And to get 3 stars, you gotta beat every single part of the stage. Now here it shows you your heroes that you have: archer, prince, and I have 7 more of them rotating in. This is a spell book that allows me to switch squares for my heroes, and this is like an explosive bomb. I drop it and stuff like blows up. Now let's get started. So if you click on the cannon or the archer tower, it shows you the health and the damage, and the little number next to the square is in how many turns it will attack. So when you hold down on the heroes, when you have more than 2 together, you could build combos. And as you could see, if I send my goblins in right now, they will kill 4 of those enemies. Now, each hero does different things. Like goblins will go for gold, giants will attack the closest target, archers will shoot over the wall. So there's a lot to the game. So for example, let's see. So you see, my archers attacked, new ones rotated, those disappeared. Now those front rows will attack me in 1 turn, and that skull on my archer right here means it will die next turn when the cannon attacks. Now I'm going to send all my goblins in. So now you could see the prince attacks in a straight line. They will charge only in the straight line, and they could break the wall that separates this stage to the next stage. But I will send my archers, which I don't think that was a good trade because I barely killed anything. Now we'll send the giants. So stage 1 out of 3 cleared. Now we're next stage. Now I could send my prince, but I kind of don't like sacrificing 2 of them to kill the initial walls. So let's see what we could do here. I don't really have a good play here, so we're just gonna send that wasn't a good play by me. So you see I ran out of units. They're all grayed out. So I'm pretty much not gonna make it. So what I was talking about, the side quest, you see the card right over there in the back here. I mean, I already lost anyway, so I'm gonna show you what this does. And then you could see if, for example, I want to make 3 archers instead of 2, I will rotate the archer with a giant using the book. And now they have the counter. Also, you see there's like a little bandage with like an angry face next to my giant. I have a gauntlet that I found from a box and that I equipped on him. Every time he takes damage, he does more damage to the enemy. So you see, I cleared stage 2 out of 3, but there's still, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 enemies. I only have 4 units. But the side quest, you see that gold wagon. Target of a quest, destroy for extra reward. If I destroy it, that means I would get the extra reward, but I don't have the units, so I pretty much, I cleared the stage, but I only got 2 out of 3 stages. And I got the gold and, like, you know, the elixir. And you see, elixir is used together with gold to upgrade your units to make them stronger. So let's go a little bit more in depth. So here is my units. To upgrade it, I need 8,000 gold. And archer shoots an arrow to the closest target, even over the walls. So I have this bow equipped that does 25% more damage. And there's another quick bow and fire bow. Each add-on does different things. Now also, I have 11 out of 15 archers. That means when the one archer shoots and the other ones rotate, I have 11 of them that will join the field. Now you could buy one for 400 gems, which is pretty expensive. Now, different spells, like I was saying, the fireball, it deals damage to a 3x3 area, so 3x3 square. Now there's also league play. How league play works, let me show you. In the league, you will play a 7-day battle season with 29 other players. After each season, you move to a higher or lower tier based on your success during the season. Now, I'm not going to read through the whole thing, but you start with the basic composition, and then these units are only available as refills from draft buildings and between stages. So when you clear a stage, it will pop up like 3 different selections. Which unit do you want? You choose depending on the next stage. Now there's ranking. Now I didn't play the first 2 days because I barely downloaded the game. But my day 1, I got, day 3 technically, I got 2 trophies, and then I got 4 trophies each. So I'm 3rd place because of that. Now, if I stayed the current season before it ends, I get, you know, gem, gold, elixir, and so forth. So that's league play. And you could play for free once a day, or if you want to play more, you use the league tokens. And the league tokens are on top. And if you're out of league tokens, you get more from the season end chests. Now, going back to playing regular games. Right here, you have quest energy. Now, you get 1 energy an hour. So when you're out of the energy, you have to use quest tokens, which can receive from levels, boxes, and so forth. Now, there's also little side quests in the game, like the ship. You could use 1 quest token to explore it. You are guaranteed to get 156 gold and possibly more. I tried like 5 attempts and I only get gold, so I don't know. I don't think it's worth using your quest tokens unless you have a lot of them. Also, you see there's little chests at the end of each island. And to unlock the chest, you need to get 14 stars, which means you kind of have to get all of the stars. I can't beat them all the stages with full stars, so I only have 9. Now, to move on to each different island, you need certain amount of stars. Like the island I just unlocked now, Shady Shelter. You needed 85 stars. So that means you kind of have to 3-star everything up to there and then 2-star something, some of the islands. So the game is kind of complex. You have to kind of like think of what you're gonna do. If you can't 3-star, what levels can you 2-star? Because you have only a certain amount of quest energy unless you want to jam the game, and it gets expensive. Like $100 gets you 40,000 gems, and like I was saying, you could buy this accessories for each guy. You could buy the power gauntlet, which is 400 gems. So far I didn't gem at all, and I unlocked all of this, so it's a good progression. They give you good money. There's a friend list. I'm sure there's gonna be guilds and communities and a lot of stuff. So this is still in soft launch, so there's not much to the game besides the main gameplay. So this was part 1 of me kind of going through all the basics of the game and showing you kind of the gameplay. I'll try to make part 2 of this video in the next update when there's more depth to the game. But for now, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this not so quick 12-13 minute video on Clash Quest in early soft launch. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment below if you guys want me to show you how to download this game on iOS and US. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.